you are not just struggling with ADHD, you might actually be making it worse. And the frustrating part, you don't even realize you're doing it. You sit down to work, and within minutes, your brain is somewhere else. You try to focus, but something keeps pulling you away. Emails, messages, random thoughts, other priorities, and by the end of the day, you feel exhausted, but also like you didn't really move forward. So naturally, the thoughts comes up, is this ADHD? And for many people, it might be. But here's what no one tells you clearly enough. Even if you have ADHD, the way you are working right now could be making it significantly worse. Not because you are doing something wrong on purpose, but because your environment is built in a way that works against how your brain functions. Let me explain. Most modern work environments are designed for speed, not focus. You are expected to respond quickly, switch between priorities, stay available, keep everything moving. But if your brain is already struggling with attention, this setup becomes a problem. Because every time you switch priorities, your brain has to reset. And that reset takes energy. Now imagine doing that all day. Assignment, email, message, back to assignment again, then something else. You are constantly restarting. That's not focus, that's fragmentation. And fragmentation is exhausting. This is why you feel drained, even if you didn't do that much. It's not the workload, it's the switching. Now add something else on top. Everything you haven't finished. Your brain keeps track all of it because it doesn't trust that it's handled. So while you are trying to focus, part of your attention is still tied up in everything else. That's mental load. And this is where things get worse. Because you are not just distracted, you are overloaded. And when your brain is overloaded, focus becomes harder, impulse control gets weaker, and everything feels more overwhelming. That's why it feels like your ADHD is getting worse. But what's actually happening is this. Your environment is amplifying your symptoms. This is the part most people miss. They think, I need more discipline, I need to try harder, I need to focus more. But pushing harder inside a broken system just creates more frustrations. This is exactly what I talk about with Work-Life Style 365. You don't fix this by forcing yourself to be better. You fix it by changing how you work. So instead of asking, what's wrong with me? Ask, what about how am I working is making this harder than it needs to be? That's the shift. Now let's make this practical. Because this isn't just about understanding the problem, it's about changing it. The first thing you need to do is reduce what your brain is holding. Right now, you are trying to remember everything. assignment, deadlines, things you need to follow up on, and your brain doesn't trust that it's safe to let go. So it keeps reminding you again and again. That's why you feel mentally busy all the time. So here's what you do. Take a couple minutes and get everything out of your head. Not a perfect list, not organized, just everything. Write it down. What this does is it tells your brain you don't need to hold this anymore, and you'll feel the difference almost immediately. Less pressure, less noise. The second thing is stopping trying to do everything at once. This is one of the biggest mistakes. You think, I'll just quickly check this, I'll just reply to this, I'll just start this as well, and suddenly your attention is split. Instead, reduce your focus. Pick one task. Define what done looks like, and only do that. Not switching, not checking, because every time you switch, you reset your brain again, and that's what keeps you stuck. The third thing is close your day properly. Most people don't do this. They just stop working, but mentally they're still inside it. So your brain keeps everything active. Try to remind you so you don't forget inside. Take 5 minutes before you finish. Write down what's unfinished. Decide what matters tomorrow. Now your brain has closure. It doesn't need to keep reminding you. And this is where things start to change. Because now you are not fighting your brain anymore. You are supporting it. This is Work Lifestyle 365. You don't force it. Performance. You remove friction. You don't try to become someone else. You adjust how you work so it actually fits you. And when you do that, focus doesn't feel impossible anymore. It feels manageable. And that's the difference. Now, if this resonates with you and you are starting to see how this applies to your own work, the next step isn't more information, it's clarity. Because most people already know what they should be doing. They just don't know what's actually getting in their way. So if you want to take this further, I've put a free workplace wellbeing snapshot in the description below. It takes a couple of minutes and it will show you exactly where the gaps are in how you are currently working. Start here. And if you want something more structured, I've also created a simple starter kit. That's walk you step by step through resetting your workload, your focus, and your mental load. And for those of you who want to go deeper, there is the full Work Lifestyle 365 blueprint with the tools, templates, systems to help you take back control properly. And if you want personalized support, you can book a one-to-one session with me where we break down your specific situation and build a clear plan around it. Everything linked below. Start simple and build from there. Thank you for watching the video today, and I hope to see you in the next video on Tuesday.